I wonder why am I showing both a Westinghouse and Schindler tag. Anyways, we are coming to a pair of Schindler Westinghouse RT elevators at Chelsea Place at the Imperial Center in Durham, North Carolina. These are, I don't know if I say Westinghouse or, these are Westinghouse or Schindler RT, because guess what year these elevators were installed? Let's go inside and find out the inspection certificate. Oh, I got that one over there. Before we go, sorry I got in the elevator quick because there is music playing out there and I don't want to get detected. Guess what? This elevator was installed in 1989. That is the year when Schindler bought out Westinghouse, which is why you saw me showing both Schindler and Westinghouse, because Schindler bought out Westinghouse. There, now there's a better view. Back in the early days, Westinghouse was common at the time until 1989 is when Schindler bought Westinghouse out. So with that being said, we're gonna take this thing on a ride. So let's go. These floors are locked. There's your phone. All right, we're going to switch elevator cars up here. See these brails I've seen a lot on 80s Westinghouse elevator. So this appears to be installed by Westinghouse right in the process when Schindler was taking it over. It makes me wonder if these are Schindler Westinghouse RT, if these are Westinghouse RT elevators. As you may already know, these upper floors are locked. Similar cab. Same exact certificate. 1989. When the elevator car reaches the intermediate floor, I was expecting to ring the down chime, but apparently it still says it's going up. Here's your phone. Look at the COP. Look at this. The COP is loose. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end my video here because I do not want to be rambling too loudly in the lobby just to drown the music out, and I'm too paranoid of getting copyrighted. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that is going to be it.